Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use Relevance AI with make.com. So you can build no-code AI tools. So for that you're going to be heading over to, first of all, your Relevance platform. From there you're going to be heading over to your integration. So let's just say if you're on a templates section, you're going to be heading over to integrations and API keys. Once you're onto that tab, on the right side or mid screen, you will be able to see that we can navigate through Relevance AI or custom API keys. I'm going to be clicking on Relevance AI key, and I'm going to be copying already created, or what we can do, simply create a new API key. Once we create that and copy it, we're going to be heading over to make.com, put the API key there, and you can search for make here, and you can see if I search for basically make.com, we cannot find it here, but we can use our API key on make.com to simply connect both platforms and use them together. And that is literally it. Thank you so much for watching. To access Relevance AI and get extended benefits, you can use the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys around in the next video.